Today I'm going to clean a really dirty cooked on stovetop and show you guys how to get this back to as close to new as I can get it. Start by spraying down the stovetop with heavy duty easy off oven cleaner. So this is the yellow can. Make sure you do not get it on your countertops. You can even line them with paper towel or even a plastic bag, because if you get this on your countertops, it will take the finish off. Okay, so I've warned you. If your stove isn't too bad, only spray the burnt on spots, just spot spray it. But in this case, there was so much burnt on crud that we just sprayed it all over really liberally. When I wasn't looking, the girls sprayed it even more, and we absolutely did not need this much oven cleaner on the glass. Let the oven cleaner sit for at least 10 minutes, then you're gonna scrub it with an SOS pad. The SOS pad will not scratch the glass. Start scrubbing. I really like to do a little wipe test just to see if it's lifting and if I'm making a difference, because oven cleaner really works in layers, so you have to spray, scrub, scrape, and then spray again to get it all off. It's definitely lifting, but I knew it was gonna take a couple of rounds to get this totally clean. It's best to use paper towel here because a cloth will just get ruined and you'll have to throw it in the garbage. I decided I wanted to try and see if my razor would scrape off any of the burnt spots, and sure enough, this worked like a charm. We figured if we scraped off as much as we could with the razor, then one last round of the oven cleaner at the end would be very easy. So this is what I had after I used the razor. So that is very incredible. I'm gonna buy everybody one of these for their caddies. We sprayed it with oven cleaner one more time, and much less than last time, and then we let it sit for another 10 minutes. Now go back in again with a fresh OS pad and scrub away. Now wipe up all the residue and finish with some Windex to polish it up. This is not perfect, but this stove is old as hell and the transformation is still huge. So even if your appliance is really old and hasn't been taken care of, you might be able to bring it back. As always, thanks for watching, and remember, your stuff is not wrecked, you just need to clean it.